All right, I'm Steve Hurley, maintenance manager for GPMI North and South facilities.
Hello, I'm Eric Evan. I've been at the Gemini Group for 27 and a half years.
Hello, I'm Kevin Scott, high-speed mill supervisor and programmer here at GPMI North. I started back in 1997 running production lathe.
I've been here for about 10 years. I started at the bottom, moved my way up. Really good companies come through from the bottom because they give you chances that not necessarily get everywhere else to better your future. One of my favorite things about working here is the family involvement that I have through the company and how they are very flexible with my time as far as being home with my kids or coaching. Gemini sponsors one of my softball or baseball teams, which is really awesome. I get to get the name out there. My kids really enjoy that. They get to work for or be the team for their dad, and overall the environment here is just happy and everybody really works together and everybody communicates really well, and it's just a great place to work.
I started out as a Myford OD grinder, and the last 10 years I've been doing lathe. I come to my job because I want, I don't come because I have to.
This is your program, you can edit, tool data. I started out cooking when I was a kid. I came into this position and I've been here ever since. It's a great place to work for. You learn a lot. They'll train you. So once I make the program, we send it to the machine, and each tool cuts. And this is actually a die that will make pliers for the lucky tool.
So they started me in the saw department, kind of the beginning of where you need to start. And I got my chance within a month to move into a machine position, operator position, which I did for about 2.5 to 3 years. And from there I got the opportunity to do maintenance. And I really enjoy maintenance, so it was really nice that they gave me the opportunity to prove myself. And after about 2 or 3 years of proving myself there, they promoted me to maintenance manager, and it's kind of a goal I've had since I started. So it's been really nice to advance as quick as I have in the 10 years I've been here.
I challenged myself to see how much more I can do today than I did yesterday.